Julia, isn't it crazy that we're getting so many orders for these Aphrodite kits? Like, I literally can't keep up. I think Dr. Murphy should do an Instagram.
What's going on? My lunch.
Okay, well, please explain to our patients what these kits are and what you came up with.
Okay. Ready now? You want me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so there is 3 kits. First, we have a patent. Show them the patent. See the patent on the wall? Focus, come closer to it. This is patent from the United States, right? That's one. We have 3 kits. We have 3 colors, as you see, right? There is 2. The green, blue for IVF. It's literally like regular IVF. And the orange, yellowish, it's for timed intercourse at home. So let's start with one. We'll walk you through one by one. So this is the IVF one. So you'll open it. Then it comes like this. It's actually cute. Then you open this bag, and here you have all the instructions written at the back, so you can tell you what day of the cycle to start what medication. Then you open here. First, we start with stimulation. Like regular IVF, you have the follistim with the pens, injection, and then you have also pills to take, and the instructions will tell you, for example, day 3 of your cycle, take this is, it says here, day 3, see the number? Day 3, it tells specifically, and then take 75 or 150, whatever, of the follistim, you put the number of the units, you inject, you take the pill, then the next day, you have day 4, right, see? It tells you day by day. Then at the end, the trigger, instead of taking trigger shot, this is nasal spray, right? You just, it tells you when to take it also at the end. This at the end, before, after stimulation. And also, those kits are urine ovulation predictor kit to see if you are responding, if you take the kit properly or not, right? And you will be in touch with. This one does not have, it has 0 injections. This is IVF with injections, IVF without injections. They're both extremely efficient. Same thing, you open this kit, this is the blue color, you take the kit,